Welcome everyone. Thanks for coming out tonight. I want to congratulate Jason and the Hondru family and all the employees. This is a fantastic building, a good use for this building. I should say, I guess, welcome to the north end of town. You already have the south end taken care of. Now you're up here in the north end. But it's just great. Hondru has been a solid employer here in the town. And throughout the years, their roots are, I think, very deep within the community, and it's just great to see them expand, create more jobs here in this area. And if Jason gets himself an office down here, he can just walk down here, or maybe make a little closer, go home for lunch or whatever. But no, it's great that you guys have done this. Manchester City inside the building. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yep.
Thanks for everybody that came out. I look out and there's a bunch of people, a bunch of supporters, or some customers, some neighbors, employees, some of our business partners, and I know everybody's got a busy schedule. I appreciate you coming out here. But I want to make sure everybody that's here today understands that stuff like this is only possible if we have people that are committed to helping out our customers. And for over 33 years, Vic Dodson has been with us at the Hondru Auto Group. Started working for my dad, and then he took over the body shop many years ago. And I get countless stories of customers saying that they're so relieved that Vic was there to help them. I get letters from customers thanking me for employing Vic, and I'm like, oh, it's the other way around. I thank Vic for taking care of our customers for so many years. It's when somebody gets in an accident, they're usually not in a great mood. They're upset, and they need somebody they can rely on. It's a complicated situation. Some people go their whole lives not having an accident, but Vic makes people feel welcome. He calms them down. He makes sure they're taken care of. He's got customer service ingrained in his DNA, and he does a wonderful job. So the only reason we're even able to get here today is because of Vic's hard work and dedication and the team that he put together. The guys that are working on the cars in here are top-notch, excellent. I tell everybody these are like some of the smartest guys I've ever met. They really do a wonderful job, and Vic is like an air traffic controller and a psychiatrist, all wrapped together, and he gets it done day in, day out. He shows up here. I drive by early Saturday morning. He's in here working on stuff. So I'm just fortunate to have him on the team, and I'm excited to give a nicer, better place for him to work out, more elbow room.
Yeah, really.
So my thanks and gratitude is not only to everybody that's here supporting us, but it's also to Vic. So thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.